Hello, and welcome back to our daily English talk.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here today.
If you're new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Roy. Didn't you know this is a place to practice listening and speaking with simple, real English?
Please help us by liking this video and subscribing. It means a lot to us.
Emma, how are you feeling today?
I feel a little excited today.
Excited sounds interesting.
Yes, it feels like a special day.
I feel calm but curious
Curious about what?
about new places and new moments.
That sounds nice.
Emma, have you ever been to an airport?
Yes, I have been a few times.
How does it usually feel?
Busy, but also exciting.
I feel the same way.
Airports feel different from other places.
Many people are moving.
Many people are waiting, too.
Today, let's imagine we are at the airport together.
That sounds interesting.
We can move slowly and calmly.
Yes, step by step.
We arrive at the airport early.
Early feels safer.
There is less stress.
I like that idea.
We walk into the airport building.
The space feels large.
The ceiling is high.
And the lights are bright.
What sounds do you hear?
I hear people talking. I hear rolling suitcases.
Yes, that sound is everywhere. I also hear announcements.
Voices speaking slowly and clearly.
Some voices feel calm.
Others feel serious.
I hold my passport in my hand.
Do you check it again?
Yes, just to be sure.
That is very normal.
I also check my ticket.
You want to feel ready.
Yes, ready and relaxed.
Being prepared helps.
Curious, Emma, do airports make you nervous?
Sometimes, yes. Especially when it is crowded.
I understand that feeling. Many signs are around us.
Signs with arrows and words.
They help us know where to go.
Even if we feel unsure.
We stop and look at a big screen.
The flight information screen.
Yes, many flights are listed.
Many destinations.
I look for my flight number.
You take your time.
I don't rush.
That helps calm the mind.
I find my flight on the screen.
What do you see?
The gate number and time.
That feels reassuring.
Now we know where to go.
Yes, that feels good.
Knowing helps confidence.
Confidence feels nice.
We walk toward the check-in area.
I see many counters.
Some people are waiting in line.
Everyone looks focused.
I take a deep breath.
Breathing helps a lot.
My shoulders relax.
That is good.
Do you like traveling, Emma?
Yes, I like it. Even though it can be tiring.
Traveling brings new experiences. Airports are the start of a journey.
That is a nice way to say it.
Every journey begins here.
With small steps.
We stand in line quietly.
Waiting feels long sometimes.
But we can stay calm.
Yes, calm helps.
While waiting, I look around.
I see families and travelers.
Everyone has a story.
Everyone is going somewhere.
Some people look excited.
Some people look tired.
All feelings are welcome here.
That feels true.
I remind myself to speak slowly.
Slow speech helps communication.
Simple words are enough.
Yes, very enough.
In the next part, we will check in.
Yes, and talk to the staff.
In the next part, we will check in.
We will do it calmly.
step by step together. Thank you for listening with us.
Please relax and enjoy this moment.
You are doing very well.
Let's continue together in the next part.
Now we are standing in the check-in line.
Yes, the line is moving slowly.
Slow is okay.
It gives us time to breathe.
I hold my passport and ticket.
I do the same.
I like to keep them ready.
Being ready feels safe.
Emma, do you feel nervous now?
A little, but not too much. I feel calmer than before.
That is good. We are getting closer to the counter.
I can see the staff.
They look professional and calm.
That helps me relax.
Now it is our turn.
Okay, let's go together.
I step forward slowly.
I stand next to you.
I say hello to the staff member.
Your voice sounds clear.
I speak slowly.
That is perfect.
The staff member asks for my passport.
That is a common request.
I hand it over carefully.
Small actions matter.
The staff member asks a question.
You listen closely.
I listen before I answer.
Listening first is good.
The question is about my destination.
That is easy to answer.
I say the city name clearly.
Nice and calm.
The staff member types on the computer.
I hear the keyboard sound.
We wait quietly.
Waiting feels okay.
The staff member asks about my bag.
What do they ask?
They ask if I have checked luggage.
That is very common.
I point to my suitcase.
That helps explain.
I answer with simple words.
Simple is best.
The staff member weighs the bag.
The machine makes a small sound.
I watch quietly.
Everything feels normal.
I feel a small worry.
About the weight?
Yes, just a little.
That is very normal.
The weight is okay.
That is a relief.
My body relaxes.
I can see that.
The staff member gives me a boarding pass.
That is an important moment.
I take it carefully.
You check the details.
I look at the gate number and time.
Everything looks correct.
That feels good.
One step is done.
Now it is your turn, Emma.
Okay, I feel ready. I step forward calmly.
Take your time.
I say hello to the staff member.
Your voice sounds confident.
I feel more relaxed now.
That is great.
I give my passport and ticket.
You do it smoothly.
The staff member smiles back.
Friendly faces help a lot.
The staff member asks a question.
What kind of question?
About my seat preference.
That happens often.
I pause for a moment. I think about my answer.
Pausing is okay.
I say, window seat, please.
That was clear and polite.
I feel proud.
You should feel proud.
Thank you.
The staff member prints your boarding pass.
I take it and say thank you.
Polite words matter.
They make things smooth.
Now we move away from the counter.
Check-in is done.
That feels like a big step.
Yes, a very big step.
We look around again.
The airport feels less scary now.
Because we understand it better.
Knowledge helps calm fear.
Where do we go next?
Security check.
Yes, the next step.
We can handle it.
I take another deep breath.
Breathing helps again.
One step at a time.
Always.
In the next part, we will go through security.
Yes, calmly and clearly.
We will explain everything slowly.
Together.
Thank you for staying with us.
You are doing great.
Keep listening and relaxing. Now we are walking toward the security area.
Yes, this place can feel serious.
Many people feel nervous here.
That is very normal.
I see long lines again.
but they are moving.
Slowly but surely.
Slow is okay.
Emma, how do you usually feel at security?
A little tense at first. I worry about doing something wrong.
I feel that too. I remind myself to stay calm.
Everyone here is just doing their job.
That helps my mind relax.
Yes, it helps a lot.
We stand in line quietly.
I watch people ahead of us.
I learn by watching.
That is a good idea.
I see trays on a table.
For bags and jackets.
Yes, and shoes too.
I prepare in my mind.
I take off my jacket.
I do the same.
I put it in the tray.
Slowly and carefully.
I take my phone from my pocket.
And your keys, too.
Yes, I put everything in the tray.
Being organized helps.
Do you ever forget something in your pocket?
Sometimes, yes. Then the staff tells me kindly.
They usually help. I place my bag on the belt.
The belt moves it forward.
I watch it go.
I hope it comes back quickly.
Now it is my turn to walk forward.
Through the scanner.
I follow the instructions.
Hands up and still.
The moment feels quiet.
Just a few seconds.
Then it is done.
That was easy.
I walk to the other side.
I wait for my tray.
I feel relieved.
Relief feels good.
Now it is your turn, Emma.
Okay, I am ready. I step forward calmly.
Take your time.
I put my bag in the tray.
You check your pockets.
Yes, everything is empty.
That helps you feel confident.
I walk through the scanner.
I watch from the other side.
It is over quickly.
You did great. We collect our things together.
Shoes, bags, jackets.
I put my shoes back on.
I zip my bag.
Security is finished now.
That is a big relief.
We did it step by step.
Calmly.
We walk into the departure area.
It feels more relaxed here.
People are shopping and sitting.
Some are eating.
How do you feel now?
Much better. Less nervous.
Me too. We look at signs again.
To find our gate.
Clear signs help a lot.
Yes, very helpful.
We walk toward the gate area.
People are sitting and waiting.
Some are on their phones.
Some are resting.
We find our gate number.
The sign matches our ticket.
That feels reassuring.
Everything is on track.
We choose seats near the gate.
Sitting feels good.
My legs can rest now.
Yes, mine too.
What do you like to do while waiting?
I like to relax. Maybe read or listen.
I like that too. Waiting time can be peaceful.
If we let it be.
No need to rush now.
The hard parts are done.
In the next part, we will board the plane.
Yes, the final steps.
Calm and confident.
Together.
Thank you for listening with us.
You are doing really well.
Stay relaxed and comfortable. Now we are sitting near the gate.
Yes, we have some time before boarding.
The hardest parts are finished.
That feels very good.
I look around the gate area.
People look more relaxed now.
Some are resting quietly.
Some are talking softly.
I hear an announcement.
The voice sounds clear.
They're talking about boarding time.
We listen carefully.
I check my boarding pass again.
Just to be sure.
Yes, I like to check.
It helps me feel ready.
Emma, how do you feel now?
I feel calm and proud. We handled everything well.
Yes, we did. Airports can feel scary at first.
But step by step helps.
Simple steps make it easier.
Just like learning English.
The boarding call begins.
I hear our group number.
That means it is almost time.
I feel ready.
We stand up slowly.
I pick up my bag.
I check that I have everything.
Phone, passport, ticket.
We join the boarding line.
The line moves forward.
We walk toward the gate door.
The staff checks boarding passes.
I hold mine out clearly.
That helps a lot.
The staff member scans my pass.
There's a small sound.
Then I can walk forward.
Very smooth.
Now it is your turn, Emma.
Yes, I step forward.
I give my boarding pass.
You look confident.
The staff member smiles at me.
Friendly smiles help a lot.
I say thank you softly.
Polite words feel natural now.
We walk down the long hallway.
The plane is waiting ahead.
I can see it through the window.
It looks big and quiet.
We step onto the plane.
The air feels different inside.
A little cooler.
And calm.
We step onto the plane.
The air feels different inside.
A little cooler.
And calm.
A flight attendant greets us.
The voice sounds kind.
I say hello.
I smile back.
We walk down the aisle.
I look for our seat numbers.
I check the signs above.
They are easy to read.
We find our seats.
That feels like another success.
I put my bag in the overhead space.
I sit down slowly.
I buckle my seatbelt.
I do the same.
The seat feels comfortable.
I take a deep breath.
How does it feel to be seated?
It feels safe and calm, like the journey has really started.
I feel that too. People are settling in around us.
Bags are closing.
Seats are filling.
The cabin feels quiet.
I listen to another announcement.
About safety and instructions.
I listen carefully.
Listening helps understanding.
Understanding reduces fear.
Yes, very much.
Just like at the airport.
Step by step.
I look out the window.
The ground looks far below.
I feel quiet inside.
A peaceful feeling.
We made it through the airport.
Every step.
Calmly and clearly.
Together.
If you are listening and feel nervous about airports,
Remember this feeling.
you can do it too.
One step at a time.
You do not need perfect English.
Simple words are enough.
Speaking slowly is okay.
Pausing is okay too,
People want to help you.
especially at the airport.
Signs and staff guide you.
You are not alone.
We hope this conversation helps you feel confident.
Yes, calmer and stronger.
Confidence grows with practice.
Every experience matters.
Thank you for traveling with us today.
Thank you for listening so carefully.
We're happy you're here.
Always.
Our journey continues beyond this flight.
And your English journey continues too.
Keep practicing in daily life.
Little by little.
We'll see you again soon.
Until next time,
Take care and speak with confidence.
goodbye for now.